Hey there, Facebook friends. How are you today? Thank you for joining me. I was looking for my phone because I have to share this out. I'm going to share this out with as many people as possible. And I would be most appreciative if you would do the exact same thing. Like the show, share the show as you come in. Thank you, thank you, thank you for doing so. Let me find the show. I'm doing it. All right, sharing this out to my friends over there in my private group. Been there, done that. Now I'm ready because they have been everywhere and done everything. And now they are ready to do something new and do something different. Also sharing this with my long-term wellness fans so that they can get this information as well. Just want to share it with everybody, right? All right, did y'all share it? Did y'all know I can see if you shared it? That's right, I can. Okay, so pulling it up here so I can see the questions. All right, I can see Travis is here and Ashley's here and Jay is here. Thank y'all so much. Jay said hello. Hello from the PERC headquarters in Northern Virginia. That's right. Thank you. Thank you hello from the Northeast. I'm not at the PERC headquarters today. As you can see, I am in my home studio. Today is going to be a day of show and tell. The title of the show is Make Spring Cleaning Your Favorite. Here's the deal. For any practitioner out there that has a PERC account, I'm going to send you a complimentary bottle, 8-ounce bottle of potency powder. That's right. I just went rogue. I'm giving away gifts. Here I am feeling like Oprah, and you get a bottle of vitamin C, and you get a bottle of vitamin C. Actually, I'm only going to give away one. Anybody who can give me the movie reference, make work your favorite. But we're going to make spring cleaning our favorite, right? So spring cleaning, how are we going to do that? We're going to do that by detoxifying our bodies. And we're going to start with PERC Detoxing Guard. Can you see it? Oops, I always have a hard time show and tell with y'all. Detoxing Guard. This is the sulfur-rich amino acid detox product from PERC. And it is, I guess it's the quarterback. Yeah, or the point guard in this little team, because I do have 5 bottles here. So it's the point guard. Let's go ahead with that. All right, so it does have some vitamin C, it has some calcium, it has some magnesium, but it has those sulfur-rich amino acids in it. It has just a little bit of glutathione in it. This is going to help phase 1, phase 2 detoxification, fat to water soluble conversion. Next up, here we go. In the 2-player position there, we have the EPA DHA Guard. This is our omega-3 fish oils. Now, you're probably looking around going, fish oil? It's fish oil. It's omega-3. I got that. But you don't have this. This was distilled, extracted under a nitrogen blanket to reduce the possibility of rancidity. It's not going to go bad. You're not going to get the fishy burp back. You don't have to worry about that with PERC because they don't do that stuff. And there's no funky ingredients and no funky fish being used in this. You're getting the good stuff. That's what you want, right? That cold, deep cold water fish. Get those healthy omega-3s. And if you don't know how much to take, if you started with your LRA Biolyza Act test, you could look at your predictive biomarkers. Yeah. Omega-3 index and omega-3/6 ratio. It'll tell you exactly how much you need to eat in the way of food for those omega-3s, and how many capsules you need to take per day. If you need just kind of a general rule of thumb kind of recommendation, just a suggestion, you could start with 2 a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Do the same with the Detoxing Guard. Take 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Now, if we're doing all of that work, clearing out the liver, clearing out the kidneys, doing this spring cleaning detox, we have to support the liver. Oops, wrong way. There we go. We're going to support the liver. We're going to support the liver with Liver Guard. So milk thistle, silymarin, vitamin E, vitamin D, CoQ10. It's all in here. Got a little bit of zinc in here, a little bit of selenomethionine in here. Hey, If you need that 1 gram of selenomethionine, this is one of your sources. You can also get some out of that bone guard too. So kosher gelatin. Let's see what else is in here. Vegetable glycerin, medium chain triglycerides from raw palm oil. What a great supportive product for your liver while you're going through this detoxification. So that was your 1, 2, 3 position. In the 4 position, we're posting up, right? Posting up with our potent C guard powder. You want to use this along with our C calibration. I know it's not the sexiest process in the world, but oh my gosh, it sucks the issues from the tissues. This is nature's vacuum cleaner. And when you buy from Perk, I know I am the super infomercial today and I'm okay with it, because when you buy from Perk, you are getting a non-corn sourced vitamin C. Practitioners out there, check your ingredients, check your labels. We know that corn is one of the most GMO products on this planet. Check where your potency or your vitamin C is coming from, because only we have potent C powder. So just kind of a brief overview. You're going to take 1 teaspoon in 4 to 6 ounces of water. You're going to drink that every 15 to 20 minutes. If your belly gets a little rumbly, that's okay. If it gets a little painful, a little bit gassy, that's okay too. Rub some peppermint oil on there, lavender, any of the blends. There's a blend called Digest Zen from the company that I use for essential oils. You can rub that on your belly. You can use a heating pad if you wanted to. You could get in the salt and soda bath if you want to. I usually reserve that for when the whole process is over. Then I jump in the tub and have my Epsom salts and baking soda. Totally up to you though. But you're going to want to start with that 1 teaspoon and 4 to 6 ounces of water until you flush. If you don't know what a flush is, private message me and I'll tell you. But if you do 1 teaspoon in 4 to 6 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to know what a flush is real soon. Detoxification, spring cleaning. While we're spring cleaning, we're probably getting beach ready as well. And that's why I told you that there are 5 products, because if y'all have been with me, you know just those 4 products is the detox. But while we're spring cleaning and detoxing, cleaning our system and getting beach ready, I am going to be putting some of this in. There we go. Oops, too close. Some L-carnitine. Why am I doing that? If I want to get beach ready, I want to use the shovel that scoops the fat into the cell and burns it. That's right. I'm not going to call it a weight loss product. I'm not going to call it a fat burner. But if you know what L-carnitine does, then you know what it does in your system, and you know how that can be helpful for you in a spring cleaning regimen or in a beach ready regimen. So number 5, going in there at the end, right, for that easy layup. It's not always so easy, but MDP guard. So when you purchase this detox kit, isn't this the cutest thing ever? You get this little box with all of those products in there. You get all 4 of those. Now the ones I showed you, those are the large sizes. When you buy the kit, you're going to be getting the small sizes. You're going to get the 60 count Perk Detox Detoxing guard, you're going to get the 60 count EPA DHA guard, you're going to get the 60 count liver guard, and you're going to get the 8 ounce potent C guard powder in this cute little box. And you're going to get this envelope on the inside that has specific instructions on how to use this, right? Specific instructions on how to use this, the detox program overview, what each of those products is responsible for, the suggestion or recommendation of how many you should take. You know, this is designed to be a 30-day program, but you know, hey, if that's too intense for you, you can stretch it out and make it 45 days or 60 days. You know, get in touch with one of your reps, or you can get in touch with client services at 800-525-7372, and they can help you with those serving sizes, whether you're doing 30-day or 60-day. That would be considered our more gentle protocol, right? And then you're going to receive a list of foods to avoid while you're doing this 30-day detox. Folks, let me tell you what. It is so great to do this program or this system just the way it is. But you know what? I know that y'all that follow us here at Perk Integrative Health, I know y'all are looking for something more. You're looking for the next level. You're not looking for entry level or basic. You're looking for the gold standard, and that's the LRA by ELISA ACT test. That is the food and chemical sensitivity test offered to you, excuse me, by ELISA ACT Biotechnologies. You can test up to 512 different items. That's foods, chemicals, additives and preservatives, FD&C food colorings, toxic metals, minerals, molds, pet dander. I'm trying to think of anything else. Did I miss anything? Hey, if I missed anything, I see y'all perk people on here. Drop something down there for me. I did miss one. Therapeutic herbs. There it is. Therapeutic herbs. So even things that are in your supplements can be something that you're reactive to. So you might want to check your food and chemical sensitivities first. Add on those predictive biomarkers. Let's add that vitamin D on there. And that's one of our focuses this month, because vitamin D is such a crucial part of preventing bone issues, osteoporosis, arthritis, and those kinds of things. You know, we want to get that vitamin D in there. We want to help those bones out. But how much do we take? Well, you take enough to keep your levels between 50 and 80. But if you don't take your blood, you don't know what your level is. So let's get super specific, because every single body is different. The amount of vitamin D that I need versus how much you need, or the amount of vitamin C I need versus how much you need, it's always going to be different, because we're different. You know, we have different lifestyles, we have different food plans, we have different travel schedules, we have different stress levels, and we might have different responses to that stress. That'll help affect negatively or positively what your levels are and how fast you're going to go through those things, those nutrients, not things, nutrients. So let's get specific. Start with the LRA by ELISA ACT test, add on that vitamin D, add that omega-3 index or the omega-3/6 ratio, and take a look at what's going on inside your immune system and inside of your body. And let's get specific in the supplements that we're recommending. We're not just, willy-nilly recommending this and that for people. We want to let them know exactly what's happening in their body. Oh, I like that, Jay, the sixth man, Perk D3. That's right. 6 and 7, we got Bone Garden D3, right? Those are our specials this month. That's what we're focusing on. We're focusing on bone health this month, but I wanted to talk to you about spring cleaning as well, because that's important. We should be detoxing our system twice a year, every 6 months. We need to give our body a little bit of a boost, The amount of toxins in the air that we breathe and the water that we drink and the water that we bathe in, the lifestyle that we live is so much more fast-paced than it once was. And, our body just needs a little bit of help every now and then. Kind of think of it as changing the oil, and you change the cabin filter. I don't really know what that means, but I know that's what they ask me when I take my car to get the oil changed. So, hey, if I'm going to do that for my car, I'm going to be doing it for my body too, because I want to be around. I want to hang out a little bit longer. As Dr. Jaffe says, he's going to be dancing well into his hundreds, maybe even 120, and he wants all of us there with him. But we're all going to have to do our part to keep our bodies healthy, because we are exactly what we eat, drink, think, and do. So what are you guys going to do? I challenge you. Number one, I already gave away a complimentary free bottle of 8-ounce potency powder. So to anyone who can get that movie reference of make spring cleaning your favorite, the actual line was make work your favorite. Tell me who said it. Tell me what movie it was in, whatever you want. It's a movie trivia question. I'll send out that bottle of 8-ounce C powder to you so you can give that a try. And we'll be glad to email you the C calibration protocol. If you're not familiar with that, shoot us a private message or drop a message down in the box, and either client services or your sales rep will send that out to you. We want to make sure that you get access to all of the resources we have available. We have what you need to give to those patients and those clients of yours to explain why you're using Perk products, why you're starting with the LRA by ELISA ACT test. So use us for our resources. Why don't you? All right, y'all, I'm going to let you go, and I will be back next Tuesday at 2:30, and I'll see you then. Take care. See you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.